Good morning guys, welcome back to YouTube channel, welcome back to another episode. In the episode we'll see how to make transparent image using GIMP, one of the open source available on Linux platform. In our previous videos we have already demonstrated how to make transparent image using MS Paint, Paint 3D and Photoshop. We have made a separate playlist on this topic, how to make transparent image using these tools, so check out that also. I'll put the link on the description. In this video we'll consider how to make transparent image using GIMP. Before that, do subscribe to my channel and watch till the end. Let's start the video. First of all, open your image using GIMP. Here you can see this is an image of apple. For making transparent, the first step is you need to select the apple portion only. So I'm picking a select tool from the toolbox on the left hand side. By using this select tool, just draw a portion around the apple by not selecting the background. Ensure that you only select the apple region. After selecting the apple region only, next step is right click the portion which is selected and just copy it. Next step is from the menu region, select file, and here you have to select create and then select from clipboard. You can see a new GIMP file is created with the apple selected, leaving the background as transparent. Now we have to smoothen the corners of this apple. For that, select erase tool from the tools box and smoothen the corner areas. After this modification, next important step is definitely save this image file in a transparent PNG file. For that, from the menu bar, select file and select export as. Here you can see it is exporting as PNG file. Give a destination and check all the criterias and save it in preferred location. You can see it is now saved as a transparent image. By using GIMP, we can definitely create images with background transparent. Hope this video is helpful for you. So guys, that's all in this video. In this video I have considered how to make transparent image using GIMP. We have already created a playlist regarding this topic, how to make transparent image using this tool, MS Paint, Paint 3D, Photoshop, GIMP. So check out that link. With that said, I'm ending this episode. If you like this video, press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.